You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome.
Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior, or no, I'm OSLAHNA today, and shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today, of course, finally it's gonna be like my beauty tour. I don't know, I'm so excited, but I'm like, it's not like, I don't know, it's gonna be so different this video, so that's why it's gonna be in English. So shout out to all my English people, because I do some French, English and Spanish video. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, do you like this makeup? Do you like the hair? I did the hair, oh my god, and the makeup, of course I did it. What do you think about that? I really love it, love it, love it. So different. And the hair, oh my god, I really love it, love it, love it. It's inspiration by Cardi B when they have blue hair, but me and just like more, I don't know. And this one is because I scratched my whatever, so that's why I put a bandana, because I'm like, it was not that cute with the glue. I'm like, oh my god, what can I do, what can I do? And bang, forget it, I just put it a bandana and let's go. I'm so pretty, I'm so fierce, I'm so beautiful. So if you wanna see the tour of my beauty room, it's right here on my studio. So welcome, and we're gonna do it right now. Okay guys, so are you ready to see my beauty room? Like where I do all my makeup, like this one and others video, you know what I mean? And this one is the beautiful mirror, and they say but first makeup. I don't know if you can see, yeah, but first makeup. So you can see I recorded with my cell phone because it's like a vlog, why not, coconut? So are you ready to see my beauty room? Yes, and here we go. Oh my god, my god, my god, my god. I'm gonna just switch the camera because you can see more. Oh my god, a lot of light here, of course, because I have this and this. I'm gonna turn the camera, then you're gonna see how it look like. First makeup, and this is what it look like. Oh my god, guys, since a while I'm waiting for this room, and then ta-da-dam, bam, bam, it's there. Beautiful stuff. You can see my flag for all my Salvadorians flag. What's up, what's up, what's up, truchas and truchos. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, and I think, oh my god, yeah, you can see I'm on the underwear, like, yes, no bitch, with this beautiful legs. What's good, what's good, what's good. So this is what it looks like. I have it on my lipstick here and here. Oh, look at it. When I was baby, Dior right here, and me when I was baby, and this one with the Moschino with the Sephora. Do you remember this collection? This is one of my perfume. This one, for be honest, I just put it like for fresh the air, and you can see all my Pat McGraths with my collection here. My brushes are always using like every day, and this one you can see this is not a Moschino toy. This one is Moschino with Sephora collaboration, but you can see, wow, the Impression Vanity is so big, and those ones are my diploma, and I have to put in more there. I just forgot. And this is what I like about this. Look, this one is so pretty, pretty, pretty. And this is what it looks like here. And on my jars, they have like, this one is jewelry, this one is sunglasses. My Chanel, oh my god. And here is blush and highlighter. I have so much, it's incredible. This one I think is for cleaning and everything like that. And here it's like something more electronic. So here, this one is, the first jar is for every day. Like when I do my makeup, this is what I use it everything, every day. Like when I do some tutorial and everything like that. And the second one I think is, yeah, lashes with special effect as well. And they have a lot of lashes. I have so many lashes, like, oh my god, I love lashes. And the third one, oh no, I forgot it. And the third one is all with Jeffree Star Cosmetic. I don't know why they do it. And Murphy, I think so, because I don't know why she's doing here. Jacqueline Hill. And you can see here Rihanna. You can see like Joe Maloney too. So this one is the Jeffree Star. Closed correctly. And this one is all my palettes. because my hair is just like stuck. Oh my god, it's just stuck with this fucking stuff. Oh my god, how they can be like so idiot. Look, this is stuck on my hair. I don't know why it's coming there. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You can see here. Ay, Dios mío, what's going on with that? Hold up, hold up, hold up. And the second one, like you can see, they have all the eyeshadow palette here, the Jacqueline here, the Ura Beauty, the Pat McGrath Labs, and the Merkel 2, the Patrick Star with Mike, the Anastasia Beverly here, the Kate Von D Beauty, and this one, it's all new stuff. I'm not using it yet. I don't know, I'm waiting for everything is gonna be done. This is my recharge makeup, we can say. And here on the studio you can see, wow, pretty, and you can see here the flag of all my people there. Yes, you can see a lot of brushes, and I have a lot of mirror that you can see a lot. And this is the camera with the 2 lights. And this is what it looks like when I do some videos right here. This one is like for decoration, but I'm gonna use it because they have so many stuff here. So you can see as well my background. I can change the color every time I want it. And this is what it looks like, guys. So easy. I don't need it for nothing. Like, let's see here. And now you can see how I recorded my videos. Hey, hi, let's continue. I really have so much like makeup brushes because I'm a huge fan of brushes. And you can see I have a lot of brushes right here. And I have, oh my god, the Dr. Dre, the pill. Do you remember this one? I think they don't have it anymore. I don't know. Shout out to everybody. People have it like this. This is so pretty. So you can see how much I have some brushes because if I want to retouch my face during the video and everything like that. So this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I don't know what is this. It's shutting down. Okay, whatever. And this one you can see, and they have all the CDs. The one I love it, all the CDs right here, all my favorite artists ever, like Lady Gaga, Paulina Rubio, and Rihanna, Britney Spears too, Shakira, Nicki Minaj, all the great album. I always listen to it, and I love the singles about it and the music about this album. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god, by the way, my hair, it's a mess. You can see here when I put it, all my hairs and all my hairs, all my hats and everything like that. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you look like, it's very like, they don't have a lot of stuff because I want to be like more spaceful than that. But this one, by the way, this one's for the hair when I do some hair and everything like that. So this one is the product, and here this one is all tools for doing my hair, my wigs. And where is my wigs? It's right behind the impression vanity here, so I gotta put it more wigs on the back, so it's gonna be so cool. As well, what I like it is when you sit down, you look like, oh my god. And you can see they have a, oh my god, a big mirror, like hello. And you can just move on this. And there, hello, you can do your makeup. I do my makeup. This is my station of makeup. So nobody's gonna sit here except me or my friends. But for doing makeup, this is the chair. And you can see, this is the Dior one. So this is the chair who people's gonna sit there for do the makeup. Or I can go with this chair on my kitchen. But this is what it looks like every time I get it makeup. You can see, ooh, for doing my beautiful hair, what I'm doing right now, I make it all here. So this one is my beautiful station, and this one is on glass because I have a lot of product, and when they have some powder, some foundation, at least I can clean it like straight away, and I can clean it very easily than the other one, because if I take it with this material, it's gonna be so much messy, and I wanted something more clear, and this one is the best choice I never had. Book! Once a queen, always a queen. Oh my god, you see those ones with the cartoon? This was palette for mixing my colors, my computer, like you can see, I'm working on here, everything like this. I can working on my home doing some montage and everything like that of my videos. So this is what it looks like, guys. What do you think about it? It's simple, but I like it because I don't want too much stuff. Like I told you, this is perfect for me when I do my makeup and when I do my video and when I'm gonna have some people here, or I told you I'm gonna bring it to the kitchen. But this one's totally beautiful. What do you think about that? This is so pretty, pretty, pretty. And I told you like this is my all what I have it, like gloss, lipstick, lip liner right there, and this one's for the eyes and everything. Ooh, look at him. I'm a woman. Ooh, baby OsvalDior as well. So this is what it looks like, my beauty room. I'm so happy to have it there. So let's go to the studio. So did you like it, my beautiful tour? Yeah, I don't know, it was so different. I don't know what's going on because it was, I don't know how to film it like that kind of thing. But whatever, you see how I make some videos, how I make my beauty, and when I'm gonna have some contract, why the person's gonna be there, because like you can see on the chair, it was not, I don't know what I'm gonna do it, maybe on my new kitchen, but yes, because it's coming soon, my kitchen renovation soon. You have to watching this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, that's why this is the point. And yes, you can see like before and after and the processes of my beauty room. Before it was like very a small camera and in front of a bed. So you see I progress on my studio. I'm really happy what I have it right now. And oh my god, the impression vanity mirror, oh my god, I'm so obsessed. And I really love it. I really love it, my beauty studio, like I'm gonna do it my makeup and then my videos as well. Oh my god, I'm so proud, like to the A, and now we are to the Z, or we're gonna complete some stuff here for getting more beautiful stuff. But for me, for right now, I like less is more. Like I don't want to have it a lot of stuff because it's gonna be like so like tight. I don't want it so tight. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome, and keep in mind, we are the stars of our lives, and see you every Thursday for a new video. Bye guys.